This time around, screw it. Why not go for 10K and beyond? HiroshimaSpirit! It's been a hot minute since I've made a video, and a lot of things have changed, and I didn't record a single second of it because I was disillusioned and I thought that no one would care or that the content wouldn't be interesting. As you can see, I'm in the same old Mazda cave. It's a little spicier and more decorated than last time, and in fact, so is the Protege. We've got some fancy European spec glass headlights and the cooler corner lights. There's some scaffolding in the back now. This seat looks familiar to anyone who's a fan of the 2. I got one of those fancy ka-ting! Quick release hubs on it with a Momo steering wheel. And there are some other bits and bobs on there, not the least of which are my new Koenig wheels and Falcon 660 tires. And they look pretty amazing on the car, like wide shot. It's nighttime, as you can see. I was inspired at the last second to do like a little project car update kind of thing, so I'll sprinkle in a little clip for you guys of the car in broad daylight so you can grasp the whole breadth of the new style right here. Not bad, right? These are just some in a myriad of parts that I've been hunting down for this car. I've been on a bit of a shopping spree lately, if I'm honest, but I am at a point where I've decided that nothing matters and I'm going to live now. Rather than wait until I'm too old to enjoy this stuff, or when this stuff doesn't exist anymore. So there's some exciting stuff in the works. I've just purchased a couple of auction lots from Australia, which will be really exciting. It's a lot of cool, old, rare parts for this thing, and then anything else I don't use from that, I'll turn around and sell it. When I see some cool stuff, I have to buy it. And as I said, that's just a drop in the big old bucket of enjoying this car. Really in a way, I'm doing the same thing that my dad did with this very car when he was my age, which is kind of funny, but history and genetics bear repeating. Anyway, I know people don't like to see my face and hear me ramble, so for this one, oh, yeah, how could I forget? I got rid of my CX-30 and now I have a damn Chevrolet Silverado with a V8 that makes cool V8 LS noises. Clip here.
Oh, I'd say it's about time at lap 129 to crank it up.
Ooh, let's do it.
So I'm also in my redneck era, if the hat didn't give it away. I'm just having a lot of fun. So if you want to see this, that, or any of the other things, get in the comments, send me something. I'm not on Instagram anymore, but you can comment here. If you don't want to see any of it and you want to unsubscribe, that's your problem and you're going to miss out. So, thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh my god, he finally made a video. Will you be my own personal fucking mechanic service for free, please? Wait, no, there wouldn't even be a please.